Hello, children. Happy Monday morning. Now, this is your social study class. Students, in continuation of the chapter Time, today you have to learn conversion, conversion of the unit. Okay, so that I have given conversion table. Conversion table means table of equivalents for changing units of measure to other unit. Okay, so that means we are showing two units are equal, like 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour is same, that means equivalent to the unit of 60 minutes. So that we are putting equal to in between. Okay, so 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, both are same. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. And 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. And 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, for normal year 365 days, and for the leap year it is 366 days. So students, learn this conversion table. Okay, and already you have completed memorizing and writing, explain the terms that I have given from the back of the chapter that is morning, noon, evening, night, clock, already given, and you have to learn from the book and write in your class or copy. So I hope you have completed that part. Question answer given. Question answer also you have to complete. By this time, I hope you have completed 5 questions given with answers. Okay. Now you are going to do filling the blanks. See, filling the blanks that I am giving you from the Keep in Mind, page number 89. See page number 89, open your book, page number 89, and see Keep in Mind. That I have converted to filling the blanks. Okay, so this also you have to write in class or copy. The day begins with the dash of the sun in the east. What you will fill in? Rising. The day begin with the rising of the sun in the east. So the second one is the night begins after the dash in the west. What you will fill in? Sunset. Okay, the night begins after the sunset in the west. Number 3. 4 parts of the day are morning, noon, dash, and night. Morning, noon, evening, and night. That means you have to fill in evening. 4 parts of the days are. A day has 4 parts: morning, noon, evening, and night. Okay. Next one is, we use dash and clocks to tell time. What we use? We use dash and clocks. That means watches. I am repeating. We use dash and clocks to tell time. So you will fill watches. We use watches and clocks to tell time. right? Next one I have added that you will also write in your class copy. A watch has a dash and dash needles. A watch has a dash and dash needles. So you will fill in a watch has a face and three needles. That means you are filling face and three. Okay, so five filling the blanks given that you have to write in class to copy, and you will memorize it also. And next thing is zone of assessment given to do in classwork copy. That means classwork notebook, zone of assessment already given. Uh, Use the picture to show the question. That means you have to answer the question according to the given picture. Okay, what is this? This is a, what is this? The picture is hourglass. This is a hourglass. Okay, this is an hourglass. This is an hourglass or sand clock. This is an hourglass or sand clock. What is it used for? An hourglass is a device used for measuring intervals of time. This part you have to write in on your white page beside where you have written question answer of the chapter 10, chapter time. Okay, where you have written the question answer of the chapter time, beside that you have to draw and write this thing, zone of assessment, that is given in page number 88. Okay, so this is an hourglass or sand clock. It is called hourglass or sand clock. And hourglass, what is the work of hourglass? Work of hourglass is uh, used for measuring intervals of time. This thing you have to do. And one clock I have given to draw in your classwork notebook. Hope you have completed. So students, this is what for today, and complete the work, today's work, and next day we will proceed to another chapter. So the class ends here. Good day students.